The diagram below shows a circle with center O. The angles A, B, and C are as shown. Which of the following is or are true? The first one is A is equal to B. The second one is A is equal to C. The third one is 2B is equal to A. And the fourth one is B is equal to A plus C. We have the diagram here with angles A, B, C. And O is the center of the circle. This is a multiple choice question, and so we are going to solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. One of the theorems of a circle is that in a circle, the angles a chord or an arc subtends at the circumference in the same segment of the circle are equal. On the diagram here, we can see that if we join this point to this point, we are going to form this chord. The theorem says that the angles that the chord subtends at the circumference in the same segment of the circle are equal. This chord divides the circle into two segments. We have the upper segment here, that's the major segment, and we have the lower one here, which is the minor segment. The theorem says that if a chord subtends different angles at the circumference in the same segment, those two angles are equal. As we can see from the diagram, the chord that we have formed subtends this angle here, which is angle A, and the same chord subtends this angle here, which is angle C, and they are in the same segment. And so if they are in the same segment and they are subtended by the same chord at the circumference, then those two angles are equal. So we can say that A is equal to C. So angle A is equal to C, which means that statement I is right. A is equal to C. Let's consider another theorem. Another theorem is that the angle a chord or an arc subtends at the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. Once again, on our diagram, we have connected this point to get this chord. The theorem says that the angle that this chord subtends at the center is 2 times the angle that it subtends at the circumference, which means that angle B is equal to 2 times angle A. Angle B is equal to 2 times angle A. So B is equal to 2A. If B is equal to 2A, then it means that the first option I, is wrong, because option I is A is equal to B. But we have established that B is equal to 2A, so it means that I is wrong. And in the same way, option I is also wrong, because we have 2B is equal to A. And we have established that B is equal to 2A is the correct one. So 2B is equal to A is also wrong. Now let's see if the last option, which is option IV, is correct, which is B is equal to A plus C. We have B is equal to 2A. We know that 2A is the same as A plus A. So we can say that B is equal to A plus A. We have established from the first theorem that A is equal to C. So we can replace one of these A's with C. And so when we do that, we will have B is equal to A plus C, which will give us the option IV. B is equal to A plus C. So it means that IV is also correct. And so our two correct options are II and IV. When we look through the 4 options we have here, we can see that that one is D. II and IV only.